Natural bone killers, put that on my life.
Today's video is all about hairstyling, and I'm excited to share some tips and techniques that will help you achieve the perfect look. In this video, we'll cover everything from basic hair care to advanced techniques, so make sure to stick around until the end. Use the right tools, depending on the style you want to achieve. You may need a variety of tools such as a hairbrush, comb, curling iron, straightener, or hair dryer. Use products to help hold the style, depending on your hair type and the style you want to achieve. You may need to use products such as hairspray, mousse, or gel to help hold the style in place. Consider your hair type and face shape when choosing a hairstyle. Consider your hair type curly, straight, etc., and your face shape round, oval, etc. Certain styles may be more flattering on certain face shapes. In advertising, companies often use models with perfectly styled hair to promote their products. While this can be effective in grabbing people's attention, it's important to remember that these images are often heavily edited and may not accurately represent the product or its effects. When trying a new shampoo or hair care product, it's always a good idea to do a patch test first to make sure you don't have an adverse reaction. It's also important to read the ingredients list and choose products that are free from harsh chemicals that can damage the hair and scalp.
So last tips from me. I'm shampoo.